Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to redeem Opinion Outpost points for cash in your PayPal account. So log into your Opinion Outpost account. I currently have 230 points, which is just over $20. So click on the Redeem Now link and it'll bring you to this rewards page. As you can see, there are several options here. Let me scroll down. And I'll choose this PayPal option. You'll see this dialog box pop up. As you can see, it shows 100 points for $10, and I'm going to claim 2 of these. However, you can only claim 1 at a time. So I'll click on Checkout, and it'll bring you to this page where you need to connect your PayPal account. Let me scroll down. I'll click on this Connect with PayPal button, and then click Continue. You'll see this dialog box pop up. You'll need to enter your login and password and then log into your PayPal account. It will then connect your PayPal account and then bring you back to your Opinion Outpost account. Next, click on Continue. Read these terms and conditions and then click on Agree to Terms and Redeem. You'll get a confirmation that your order has been submitted. You can then click this Back to Rewards button and then follow the same process to claim another $10 or anything else that you need to claim. You'll also get an email confirmation of your order, and you'll also get another email like this one from PayPal. But that's pretty much it. If you want to make some extra money taking surveys, check the link in the description section. And thanks for watching.